Welcome to your dashboard. Here you can see everything related to your orders. To make things simpler, we have categorized into pending request for pricing, pending purchase orders, delivered purchase orders, canceled purchase orders, and purchase orders discrepancies. Under pending RFPs, you can see all the proposals you have received. By clicking on the RFP number, you can see the complete details of a proposal such as item, supplier, quote, comments, and supplier comments. By hovering your mouse on the supplier quotes, you can view a breakup on the quote. To see more details of the RFP, click on the RFP number. To verify and issue PO, select the RFP, select a price in the supplier quotes, and click Verify and Issue PO. To cancel an RFP, select the RFP and click on Cancel Selected RFP. In the pending PO, you can see all the purchase orders that are pending confirmation or cancellation. By clicking on an order number, you can view all the details such as supplier details, item, description, comments, quantity, pricing, and the order total. You can also cancel a purchase order from here or confirm PO delivery by entering the invoice number and delivery date. You can also modify the quantity later on based on the actual quantity delivered. The Give Feedback option allows you to give feedback to the supplier based on product quality, condition of product received, and delivery timeliness. The Delivered PO section shows all the orders that have been delivered successfully. By clicking on an order number, you can see the complete details of an order such as the description, quantity, price, and the order total. By selecting an order, you can return the PO to pending PO and also cancel it. You can also give feedback to a supplier by clicking on Give Feedback. In the Canceled PO section, you can see all the POs which have been canceled due to any reason. You can select an order and confirm PO delivery, or give feedback to the supplier by clicking on Give Feedback. In the PO Discrepancies section, you can see all the POs which are discrepant. Further details of the order can be seen by clicking on the order number. Have further questions? Click on the Questions and Suggestions tab on the right, enter the title and the message, and click Send Feedback. Someone from the RestoSupply team will get back to you. By clicking on the helpful notes, you can see some tips which can help you with using the dashboard and other tabs. By clicking on the Suppliers tab, you can see your list of suppliers. Here you can see all the suppliers who are supplying items to your restaurant. You can see supplier's ID, name, ratings, city, email address, status, whether they're supplying or not, total RFPs, and total POs. Want to see more details of your supplier? Click on More and you can see the details such as address, contact person, phone, email, VAT number, and the items he or she is supplying. You can see the price list and terms of conditions by checking on the text respectively. You can disable suppliers who are not currently supplying the items and enable them later once they are available. You can add a supplier by clicking on the Add Supplier button, entering the supplier's name, contact person, phone, and email. Click on Invite Supplier and your invitation has been sent. You can also search for supplies in the list by entering their name or city, or by selecting the category or subcategory. Here you can see all the items you have selected to be supplied to your restaurant. Items have been categorized based on their categories and subcategories. You can see the item name, description, status, predefined purchase order, and inventory. By clicking on a supplier, you can see the supplier name, item unit, and item price. You can add a new or a specific supplier to any item by clicking on Add button. Enter the item's predefined PO details to issue PO directly to your preferred supplier. Once done, you can go to the PPO page to issue the PO. You can see the current inventory of your restaurant as well. By clicking on a restaurant name, you can see the current stock and threshold. You can also choose to edit or delete a particular item from the action bar. You can add an item by clicking on Add Item button. Enter the item name, unit, status, category, subcategory, and the description. You can also add items by uploading an Excel sheet. A sample sheet has been uploaded for your reference. Need a hard copy? click on Print List, and you'll have a printout of all the items. To request for a new pricing, click on the RFP tab on the top. From this page, you can issue a new RFP to your suppliers. To issue a new RFP, select the shipping address, RFP scope, whether you want to send to all suppliers or to non-PPO suppliers, and enter the expiration date. Select the items you would like to order, enter the quantity, select the unit, and any comments to suppliers. You can also enter any special message for the supplier. Click Verify and issue RFP, and you're all set. Issuing a purchase order through the Predefined Purchase Order (PPO) is a one-step process, and most suitable if you know the suppliers you would like to order from based on an agreed price. To place an order, click on the PPO tab. Select the shipping address you want items to be shipped to. Select the item you want to purchase from a particular supplier. Enter the quantity, select the unit, check Mark on Tax box if applicable, and enter any comments to suppliers. Repeat the process for all the items you want to purchase. Scroll down, enter your special message for the supplier if any, and click Verify and issue PO. That is it. You've successfully placed an order. To edit your settings, click on the icon on the top right corner and click Settings. You can now see your account information, contact people, and outlet addresses. In the Account Information section, you can edit your account details, update your password, or upload your trade license and logo. To save your changes, click Save Updates. You can add or remove contact person from the Contact People section. Click Add Contact Person, enter the name and email, and click Save Updates. To remove a contact person, click on the Remove button. You can add, edit, remove, or disable outlet from the Outlet Addresses section. To add a new outlet, click on the Add Outlet button and add the outlet details such as name, address, city, country, state, zip code, manager name, phone, and email. You can also add the username and password from here. Click Save Updates and you have added a new outlet. To disable an outlet, click on the Disable the Outlet button. This will permanently disable the outlet. To permanently remove the outlet, click on the Remove Outlet button and click Save Updates. With RestoSupply, there is one more benefit. You can generate complete reports of all your purchases in just a few steps. To generate a report, click on the setting icon on the top right corner and select Reports. Select the month you would like to generate the report for and click Add Report. The report has been successfully added. Click on Download and here's your report. You can see your complete purchase history for the particular month, including the items purchased, supplier, order details, purchasing details, and the grand total. You can also view the report by category, supplier, and quotes by clicking on the tabs below. Now you can place orders for your restaurant using the Market page. Click on Market tab, and you will be able to see all the products offered by suppliers. You can simply order products by choosing the quantity of products and shipping to address. You can also filter your search by selecting supplier, product name, category, and subcategory. Once you selected the desired items and quantities, click on the Verify and Issue PO to issue your purchase order. Once you issue the purchase order, you will be able to review or modify the PO from your dashboard page, Pending PO table.